everyone, all the characters to the makeup station. First, Charlotte. Then Ria. Next, the mysterious character. After that, Annie. And finally, me, Steph. Everyone, all the characters to the makeup station. Guys, to your places. Lights, camera, action.
Stop doing that! I'm watching Sherlock Holmes.
Who is Charlotte Holmes?
Sherlock Holmes is a famous detective. Click.
Hello, my name is Charlotte Holmes, and I am the best at solving mysteries. I am intelligent and always use my lucky sanitizer, the best one in the market.
Wow.
Do you want to be like her?
Yes. But how?
Let's spy on her. Come on, we can disguise as blind.
Wrong way.
Seriously, stop playing around. They are there.
Stop, you're a robber!
This is mine. I am innocent. I know you from TV. You're Sherlock Holmes. I am a big fan.
Thank you. Yes, I know. Stop, you're trying to distract me. Let's fight. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I win! What? Where is it?
Years later. Little kid, did you like our story?
Yes, I did.
This is the treasure. You can have it. No, little kid.
Yes! You are back! Thank you, kid. Here's my promise.
Cut. Guys, you did a great job. This is Charlotte Holmes.
Only Disney Plus. Never lose your sanitizer.